Our next problem is again an easy problem of chemical equilibrium, provided you know all the concepts of chemical equilibrium properly. We have 3 moles of PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride, placed in a 100 liter of vessel and heated to 227 degrees Celsius. The equilibrium pressure is given to be equal to 2.05 atm. We need to calculate the Kp and the degree of dissociation of PCl5. The first thing we should know is that PCl5 dissociates into PCl3, which is phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. If initial number of moles of PCl5 is 3, this is 0 and 0. Let's say x moles of PCl5 dissociate to give x moles of PCl3 and x moles of Cl2. So total number of moles at equilibrium is equal to 3 plus x. Now applying ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. We have 2.05 into 100, which is the volume of the flask, is equal to 3 plus x into 0.0821 into 600, which is the temperature in Kelvin. On solving this equation, we get the value of x as 1.994. Hence the degree of dissociation of PCl5 is equal to number of moles of PCl5 dissociated divided by the total number of initial moles of PCl5, that is x upon 3, which gives the degree of dissociation as 0.6646, that is 66.46% of PCl5 has dissociated. Now for the Kp part, we know that Kp is equal to Kc into P upon sigma n raised power delta n. Now this Kc, this is equal to x into x, that is x square, upon 3 minus x divided by 100 square, since we have to include the volume also in the concentration, and this is equal to 3 minus x divided by 100. This is the Kc part, into pressure, which was given to be equal to 2.05 at equilibrium, divided by the total number of moles at equilibrium, that is 3 plus x raised to the power of delta n. Delta n is 1 plus 1 minus 1, that is 1, and we know the value of x is given to be equal to 1.994, and hence the value of Kp comes out to be equal to 1.62, and hence our final answers are the value of Kp for the dissociation of phosphorus pentachloride is 1.62 and its degree of dissociation is 0.6646, that is 66.46%.